Okay, good. Next, sir. This time I will uh, explain that what is worker, job, and job analysis. The first of all, please, uh, I will introduce myself. My name is Bilger Sapranda. My number is B1024201042. I attend this class because I will more than have knowledge about worker job and job analysis. Okay, this is chapter 4. I will answer some question. The first, why must job be balanced with work-life issue? Answer is because life workforce demographic of employee by racial or ethnic background, age, and gender indicate that organization must adjust to the fact that employees want to increase flexibility in their work schedule to accommodate their life outside the job. Next number, what is the HR headline about and what can you get from reading the HR headline? I just want additional HR headline about how to manage work life balancing on employment life, such as each employee have a hobby, do something in our company. We can get a conclude that each employee wants flexible schedule, not all the time. Next number, what does the HR headline teach you? The technology has to support their work in workplace. It can outside company or on inside company. The technology have a role important to all employment, such as manager and other. What do you know something about workforce composition? Workforce composition something like Encore grow in technology, and he's creating a need for more worker with special technical capability. However, many manufacturing industries such as automobile and airline firms have had significant decline in number of jobs and workers. This and other factors make it likely that the workforce composition will continue to change. Next number, what tangible indicator of diversity must the employee consider and why? Diversity reflect the different because diversity reflect the different in human characteristic and composition in our organization. The tangible indicator of diversity that employer must consider include the following: race or ethnic, national origin or immigration, age, generation difference, gender, man and woman, marital and family status, sexual orientation, disability, religion. And next number, how can diverse worker contribute to business? Diversity result must be measured and management accountability for a saving result must be emphasized and rewarded. For instance, PepsiCo, a large food and beverage company, has developed and implement diversity in and inclusion council, so that diversity consideration are part of all strategic effort. PepsiCo also has regular diversity celebration, newsletter, and other events. This inclusion of diversity issue throughout the company contribute to PepsiCo success with employee, manager, and customer. Next number, what do you know about gender workforce diversity and immigrant workers? Workforce gender diversity is a matter of providing equal employment opportunity for all individuals despite their sexual characteristic and notwithstanding educational outcomes across gender or their ethnic group. Immigrant workers, another racial or ethnic factor is the growth in the number of immigrants to the United States, example, and other developed country. They come to work in a foreign country to find a good life or they got a job. Next number about this video. This video about the type employment in a company. And what does the video teach you? This video content that each employee have a characteristic from their look, a clock when they still doing a job. Existing employment do a job based on the schedule when they take a rest and when they finishing a job. And what can you learn from this video? This video contain a 7 type employment in a company. The first is temporary, number second is 40 59 clock, and 3 resume builder, 4 effective lone ranger, 5 team player, 6 reliable leaders, 7 entrepreneur. And in the next video is about a color job. Color job is classification of worker by color, and if a group of working individual can be identified by a particular color based on the color of their color work at work. What do this video teach you? The color job classification of our work. Example, who are gray color worker. This refer to work beyond the age of retirement, such as car professional, IT professional, security guard, and ETH. What can you learn from this video? We have point of view as human. Don't look by the work at someone, but let's be grateful for all the work that has been given by God, regardless of how much the salary is or how worth a job is. Next number is explain what nature of job and work is. Is refer to one or more of vertically related aspects of society, primary mode of production. The first is what people do for a living, the occupation or primary lines of work that characteristic a society at a particular point in time. Next number, what is business processing engineering, and what is the purpose of business processing engineering or BPR? BPR consists of 3 phases. Mention them and explain. Okay, BPR means for improve such as activity as product development, customer service, and service delivery. The purpose of business process engineering BPR is to improve such activity as product development, customer service, and service delivery. BPR consists of 3 phases, and the first is rating. What is this? Examine it how the current organization or work and job affect customer satisfaction and service. And the second is decision and how analyze how job are put together, the work flow, and how results are achieved. Then redesign the process as necessary. And the third retool is that look at new technology or equipment, computer, software, etc. as opportunity to improve productivity, service quality, and customer satisfaction. And the next number is what is job decision, and job decision receive attention for 3 major reasons. What are they? My answer is refer to organize tasks with duty, responsibility, and other elements into a product unit of work. Identifying the component of given job is integral part of job decision. 3 major reasons. The first, job decision can influence a firm in certain job, especially those where employee motivation can make a substantial difference. And the second is job decision can affect job certification, and the third, job decision can impact both physical and mental health. And next number is mention some characteristic of people and job. My answer is the first, skill variety is the extent to which are the work require several different activity for successful completion. For example, lower skill variety exists when an assembly line worker performs the same 2 tasks repetitively. And the second, task identity is the extent to which the job includes a whole identifiable unit of work that is carried out from start to finish and that results in visible outcome. And the third task significance is the impact to the job has on other people. A job is more meaningful if it is important to other people for some reason. And 4. Autonomy is the extent of individual freedom and discretion in work and its scheduling. More autonomy leads to a greater feeling of personal responsibility for the work. And the last one is feedback is the amount of information employees receive about how well or how poorly they have performed. And next number is maintain and explain the type of worker in one firm. The first is part-time employee. Part-time employee are individuals who work less than 40 hours a week and are typically paid by the hour rather than salary. These employees are still still considered legitimate employee of a company but may not be eligible for benefit. And full-time employee are those that work on average 14 hours a week and are eligible for benefit because the Fair Labor Standard Act does not provide a definition for a part-time or full-time employee. And the seasonal employee are those who are hired based on the seasonal needs of company. For example, a return company may hire 10 seasonal employees to cover the increase in business during peak season such as the summer month and holiday. And temporary employee are those that hire on a temporary basis, often for a set period of time such as 6 months. They may also be hired to work on a specific project and stop working for the company when the project is complete. And licensed employee. A licensed employee is an individual who is hired by a staffing agency and then licensed out the organization to complete a specific job. Licensed employee typically work with the company they are licensed for a year or longer. And next number, what is the difference between person job fit and job person match? A person organization fit refers to the degree to which person value personality, goals, and other characteristics match those of the organization. And the person job and while the person job fit is degree to I think maybe wrong. While the person job or job person match is the degree to which a person's skill, knowledge, ability, and other characteristic match the job demands. And the next number, please open the following sum. The A, job enlargement and job enhancement. Job enlargement involves broadening the scope of a job by expanding the number of different tasks to be performed, while job enrichment is increasing the depth of a job by adding responsibility for planning, organizing, controlling, or evaluating the job. And B, job rotation. One technique that can break the monotony of an otherwise simple routine job is job rotation, which is the process of shifting a person from job to job. And C is about job sharing, in which two employees perform the work of one full-time job. For instance, a hospital allows two radiological technicians to fill one job, and each individual work every other week. And the characteristic of job is a theory that is based on the idea that a task itself is the key to employee motivation. In short, a boring and monotonous job is disastrous to an employee motivation, whereas challenging, versatile job has a positive effect on motivation. The theory specific 5 job characteristics that are predicted to benefit individual, psychology, the state, and job result. And A, job analysis. Job analysis is a systematic way of gathering and analyzing information about the content context, and human requirement of job. And F is about job specification. A job specification define the knowledge, skill, and ability that are required to perform a job in organization. Job specification cover aspects like education, work experience, managerial experience. And next number is, please look at figure 4 until 4 on page 119. Explain the figure on your English word. Answer is improve employee. Based on the figure, improve employee performance and job certification by means of adjusting the job itself. The model states that if we do this successfully, you can create the condition for employee to thrive in the role. By thrive, we mean that the employee will be motivated, perform to high level, and be satisfied by the role. Next number is, why is job and work scheduling very important? Making employee scheduling an easy process for both our and employee, it will be saving ourselves a lot of time and frustration. It is important to maintain a fair employee schedule to create employee certification. When as a employee certified, they are more likely to be productive with each of their tasks and work better with customer. And the next number is, what is Telefor? What are Telefor advantages for employee? What do you know about work flexibility and scheduling? Do you agree if your employee work at home, and why or why not? Telework, which means that employee work via electronic telecommunication and internet, means the use of technology for telework is expected to grow, with almost 70% of private sector respondents predicting more usage of IT resource in telework. The advantages for employees maintain employee motivation when individuals are not physically present at company facility, also can be challenging and may increase employee stress. This is a special concern for global employee. And flexible work scheduling allow organization to make better use of worker by matching work demand to work hour. One type of scheduling is flex time, in which employee work at set number of hours a day but vary the starting and ending time. I agree, yes, but that's out back again to the situation. Must adjust, and now the effective do a job in office or home. And the next number is about, please look at figure 4 until 7 on page 125. Explain the figure on your English word. What is purpose of job analysis? What is competency based on job analysis? Mention and explain the stage in the job analysis process, and what is method of job analysis. So to use this particular information to create a right fit between job and employee, to assist the performance of employee, to determine the work of particular task, and to analyze training and development needs of employee delivering that specific job. Competency based job analysis is describing the job in terms of the measurable, observable, behavioral competency, knowledge, skill, and or behavior that an employee doing the job must exhibit to do the job well. This contrasts with the traditional way to describing the job in terms of job duty and the responsibility. There is work activity and behavior, interaction with other, performance standard, financial and budgeting impact, machine and equipment usage, working conditions, supervision given and receive, knowledge, skill, and ability need. And job analysis mentor information about the people are doing in their job can be gathered in a variety of ways. Traditional, the most common method have been observation, interviewing, and questionnaires. And the next number, have you read up chapter 4? If yes, what does the chapter 4 teach you, and what can you learn from chapter 4? Yes, my answer is yes. The chapter teach that the organization must adjust to the fact fact that employee want to increase flexibility in their work schedule to accommodate life outside the job. The most important is employee have balancing their job, which is with a family or friend at the same workplace, and should have professional during their working. Thank you. That's all from me. Thank you, sir. Good night.